If you're experiencing account sync issues with EA FC25, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock your account sync effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the EA server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming device or PC and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the sync issue. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of EA FC25 installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches or updates. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down completely. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game folder and deleting temporary files. Step 5. Relink your account. Go to the EA website and log into your account. Navigate to the account settings and relink your gaming platform account. This can help reset the connection and resolve sync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issue with EA FC25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.